Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. In this video, I discuss about how to use or bits with bitwise instruction in Studio 5000. I already discussed about how to use what is and bitwise and how to use and bitwise instruction in Studio 5000. If you new on my YouTube channel or if you beginner, so I recommend you, please, I suggest you, please go on my YouTube channel that is uploaded on my YouTube channels KS Automation playlist Studio 5000 for beginner, and watch step by step video for your better understanding. So let's get started. So take a new rung and click on logical move induction and OR gate or bitwise exclusive OR, and take a move block for move value in OR source A and also OR source B. To move block for OR source A and OR source B, and tag name will be OR1 and second tag will be OR2, and copy and paste it here. Sorry, paste it here and move or move or underscore move 1 and copy paste it for second source or move 2, and destination will be or move 2, and final destination or out or underscore out. Take another run and take limit block, limit compare block in limit. Example 1 to 50, and out limit text will be paste, and take a bit I will take a bit and output energize. Tag name will be LED 25 because already used LED 24. So new tag name LED 25. So let's finalize and click on communication RSO and download. Now our program has been downloading. Click on download. So exclusive bitwise exclusive OR only read value. We know that fundamental condition of the OR gate is 0 0 0 or 0 0 0 or 1 1. You know that fundamental condition of OR gate 0 1 1. Move 1 destination or 1 and 0 1 1, limit 0 to 15. For that reason, under the 15 1 LED number 25 has been on, and 1 0
0 1 0 1 0 1 also 0 1 1 limit under limit 1 to 15. For that reason LED 25 has been on, and 1 1 to 1 move move 1 1 we can see move value 1 in OR gate, bitwise OR gate, and move value 2 also bitwise OR gate 2 or 2. So 1 1 1 and 1 under 15, so LED will be on. Example or move 1 value will be 2, so what will be happening? 2 1 3, LED will be on. Example 3, what will be happening? So output will be 3 and LED number 3, LED will be on. For example 4, what will be happening? 5 4 1 5, LED will be on. So if bitwise value is value adding, and how much we can how much we can add value? 1 4 5 5 6 XOR 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 14 15 up to 15. In this will be first, if move one value will be 16, then what will be happen? Total value has been 17 and LED has been off. Means that in or bitwise is inclusive, or we can store value source A in source A 16 and source B 16. Example for source B. If source A value will be 1 and source B value will be 1. So 1 2 3, just like control or 1, just like store, just like store or was value or move to 4 5 6 7 8 9. Please observe 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So when our value is 15 or move to, when our value on or move to, and or move to means that move or 15 move in or 2 value or 1 source A value 1 and source B value 15, our output 15 or out 15, and when our out 15 then LED will be on. LED is on. Example means that in we can store we can store in or bitwise exclusive or 16. Also we can store 16, means that 15 source A 15, source B 15. So what will be happen? LED will be on, means that 15 into 15, 225, 255. We can store the value 255 in bitwise exclusive or. Means in move 1 source 1 15 and or 2 15, we can store r1 r1 0 to 15 means 16 and r2 0 to 15 means 17, total value 17. We can store the 0 to 15 16 value or 0 to 15 17 value. So it is a or bitwise inclusive or gate or instruction. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn or if you like my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss get update. And